Mhm. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. In today's video, I have been reading your comments and it looks like we have three memes to talk about in this video. And these three memes are the ones that you have been asking for. So guys, here you have it. So we're going to kick off the show with, well, before I get into that, why don't we strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmet. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video guys, and in this video right now we're going to kick off the show with Hamburg. Yes, I've never thought I'd ever come across this meme. It's not popular enough or trendy enough to be propping up top of the screen right up here. So instead we're going to go straight into the meat and bulk and check out whether it's worth us getting into it or not, and see what potential Hamburg has. So first of all, the market cap is at $125,000. We are up on a day 4.73% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.000128. So let's take a deeper look at the chart. Alright guys, so it looks very simple. All we gotta do is literally break above from this area right here before we continue away to the upside. I have purposely waited for a couple of days now because we were still ranging and we've broken down, and now it looks like we might be on the cusp of returning back up to these levels right up here. Now before, I think it was yesterday or the day before, maybe yesterday, I was about to create a video. We were roughly running down here. I actually wanted to see a little bit more further move to the downside, so that way we can actually do a video whilst we're down here and potentially enter a trade here for a move to the upside. But instead it looks like instead of going down, we then pump up, and as long as we do continue away to the upside, then this will be the first area that we do most definitely need to break. This high right up here. Once we do break that high guys, guess what, that means the next move from here will be the last all-time highs. So right now this area here and this chart, all in all, is looking extremely healthy. So you let me know guys in the comments whether you are also bullish or are familiar with Hamburg. If so, leave that in the comments, because right now it looks like we are still climbing our way up. We just need to break this level, and I want to see where the next candle closes before potentially we get into the next trade. However, between these levels here, we could see ourselves maybe ranging a little while longer before we continue away to the upside, but it's looking more than likely that we should come up and retest there. So we just need to wait until we get to these levels right up here. Or I reckon, actually I might have someone else saying I reckon.
Step up. I'm the step up. Yeah, see, I reckon that.
Yeah, so anyway, once we do break above from here, like I said guys, we're going to see some not so bad gains actually. So from here to there, that's 141% move to the upside in the world of memes, making 1x should be easy enough for anyone to attain, even without my video and without my training. But if you'd like to learn how to make your 4, 5, 6, 10 plus X trade, then guys, head over to my membership right over here, subscribe. It costs you $2.99 for the most basic one or $5.99 for the most advanced one. Either way guys, you will get your live and exclusive videos and private videos like this on how to trade cat dog, or to find proper trades so you can start making some decent gains. So guys, what are you waiting for? It costs less than a coffee to be able to subscribe on a month-to-month basis, and if you don't like after your first month, you can always cancel, delete that and stick to my main show. But I digress. Why don't we just crack back into the video? So as we can see guys, it looks like we're still ranging here. We just need to wait, hold tight and see what happens. But if you want to copy me, but remember guys, this is not financial advice, just showing exactly how what I would do and how I would plan this move. because nothing here is financial advice. You can actually lose your money, even though I could lose money on this as well. It's all about conviction, and most importantly, only trade with what you can afford to lose, because you could in fact lose all your monies. With great risks, there are always great rewards. So, and do your research, be careful guys. But anyway, right guys, so there's two ways to look at this. One, wait just before we break above this level, enter into a trade, or if this is a fake move to the upside, wait until we get back down to this level, enter trade here, Bob's your uncle, and there you have it. So why don't we go into the next meme, and that is going to be Toshi. Toshi is not doing too bad actually. The market cap is at 17 million. We are up on the day 14.51% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.000168. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright guys, as we can see, we've made a tremendous move to the upside for the past 2 days. And yeah, this could have been a decent trade. Well, actually, this might still potentially be a valid trade if we do come back down into this level right here. As we can see guys, we've literally broken above from one candle. From here all the way to up there, we've gone above the resistance line, turning that into a support. In fact, we've gone even as higher up as 0.0002 cents. My. In the past 2 days, we made some significant move to the upside. Shout out to the individual who recommended me to do a video on Toshi. So guys, if you all are interested in me discussing or talking more about Toshi trading strategy or trading opportunities, then guys, you let me know in the comments, because perhaps this could be one of my regular features moving forward. So you let me know guys if you like this to be part of the regular feature. But anyway, had you gone in yesterday for a trade, then you would have been up from right away from the bottom all the way to the top at 167% move to the upside, even without that massive move to the upside. Even from here today guys, that is still a whopping 88 or 87% move to the upside. So that's not too shabby. You trade with $1,000, that becomes $880. You trade with 100, and that's 88. You get the gist. But anyway, as long as we do hold this line right up here, then we should be continuing our way to the upside. My only concern is we saw one long ass candle, and usually whenever we see a massive candle like this, we do typically tend to see a return back to from where we made that huge, unnatural pump to the upside. We might even come back down here. That's why I'm looking to potentially, if I'm interested, get into a trade here for that easy 160% move back up to the upside, because once we break this level, this area here then becomes the next key important line, and so would this area here. But anyway, for the long haul, do I reckon Toshi is in a decent spot for a long-term trade? Yes I do. I'm a little bit more bullish on Toshi than I am with Hamburg, because as we can see right over here guys, we've gone up, we then pull back, we've gone sideways here for the longest before we start to make that staircasing way to the top. And then from here we did make a higher high, we then pulled all the way back down and capitulated down to these levels here, and now it looks like it could be a prime position to get in now for that move back up to the last all-time highs. And that wouldn't be too bad of a trade. So I reckon guys, we should be able to see an easy 7-8x between now to the last all-time high. So could we go higher? Well, firstly, let's take a look at the tokenomics. It's at 420 billion supply in tokens, so that's still quite high. Is there a huge demand for it? Not particularly, but it is picking up traction, and it's certainly picking up volume as well. So we never know guys, maybe in the next couple of weeks we could see some crazy price action for Toshi going forward. But until then guys, I would just simply wait until we pull back before we enter. If you are looking for a trading strategy for Toshi. Right, so guys, 11 in the comments, do you reckon Toshi would do really well during the bull season? Are you bullish on Toshi? And most importantly, if you are holding, how many bags of Toshi are you currently holding? You drop that in the comments, guys. So let's head over to the very last meme of the video, and that is going to be POM. And I believe this could be the right contract, I'm not quite sure. For anyone who suggested POM, sorry guys, I should really catch all your names, but I've been a little bit lazy and too preoccupied. But I will promise you all that I will start making a little bit more efforts with calling out and giving a shout out for your names. Also guys, shout out to all my membership subscribers. I appreciate you all, of course. Okay, so for Kucoin, the market cap is at $266,000. We are up on the day 13.29% within the last 24 hours, and the price is at 0.000269. So let's take a closer look at the chart and see what is going on in the world of POM. Alright, so this is still looking pretty bullish actually. I do like this chart setup. All we got to do from here is quite literally just add more to our bags, because we saw this running from the bottom, we then broken slightly above from the resistance line, we then pull back a little bit more. So this area here could have been a perfect re-entry for that move to the upside, and now it looks like we're slowly staircasing our way down. However, this is shaping up to be quite potentially a perfect entry now for a continuation to the upside, because we see a lower low, low, higher low, and we could just be continuing this trend all the way back up. Once we do break this horizontal line right up here, then I reckon initially we should be coming back up to this level right up here at 0.0006, whereas the price is at 0.0003. So let's pull out the measuring tool. So from the current price to this level right up here, that's 162% move to the upside, so that's not too shabby at all. Structurally, I am more bullish on POM. Why do we measure from the current price to the last all-time highs? Actually, let's measure from the top of the wick. Okay guys, so that's 1513% move to the upside. So that's an easy, I won't say easy, that's 15x your trade from the current price, and if you hold to the last all-time highs, that's not too shabby guys. And don't forget, if you dollar cost your way in DCA, couple of positions here, you'll be in a pretty decent trade, because if you put in 2-3 trades, that becomes, let's say if 3 trades, let's say if you put in 3 trades, that will then become 45x move to the upside. That'll be even more handsome. But anyway guys, let's take a look at the tokenomics. Okay, it's at 999 million, which is pretty decent. It's under 1 billion. Yeah, I do see a potential for Kucoin to go even much more higher. We just need to wait and see what happens during the bull season. Could this be a potentially good trade? Yes, because we are still hovering quite close down to the bottom. So even if we see 10x away from here, the market cap will only need to reach at $2.6 million, and then potentially we could see 100x. So that means from here we'd only need to see $26 million. So anyway guys, that wraps up the video. This video is to all of you guys who are either subscribed to my channel or just a passerby who wants me to do a video on a certain meme or coins. I'm more than happy to do that, of course. So once again guys, please drop your name or how you like me to refer to you in my next video whenever you do give me a video suggestion. And on top of that, if there's anything else that you'd like me to cover, please let me know down in the comment section. So until then guys, thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.